Alright guys, welcome back. Tuesday, April 23rd, just after 7 a.m. Back on the Drifter 800 project this morning, and the fenders look good. We're going to be working on the tank today. So we're going to move those fenders out of the garage, put them somewhere safe, so we can work on the tank. We've still got to sand and buff these fenders at some point, but for the moment we'll put them aside, get the tank done, and we'll come back to these a little later. Alright guys, just coming up to 10 to 10, and the priming is done. And it looks pretty good. I got a little bit of a run on the side up here that we'll have to sand out, and that looks okay. So now it's just a waiting game. We'll wait for that to dry, and we'll give it a sand down before we go to our next coat, which will be the white base coat. So we'll be back. Alright, just coming up to 10:30. While the tank is drying, I'm going to take my new tires to get installed. It's actually a little difficult finding a motorcycle dealer around here that's going to install my tires for me, but I found a place that's about 25 minutes away. So we're on the road. Alright, it's just about 12:30. We're back from dropping the tires off, so we'll just wait for them to call for me to go back and pick them up. Hopefully it'll be today, if not early tomorrow morning, I hope. Anyway, we've just done a quick guide coat on the tank, and we've got the 400 grit wet soaking. So just about ready to start wet sanding this. So I'll bring you back when we're done. Alright, just after 1 p.m. we've got her all sanded down. I think it's looking pretty good. So just about ready to break out the white base coat. So we'll go ahead and do that. I fixed these runs that were over here. I think that dent's looking okay. But I guess we'll wait and see how it looks once we get the black top coat on. I think that's where the black starts, around there. So anyway, it looks pretty good in primer. Let's see what it looks like in color. Alright, we'll come back in a bit. Alright, we've got the teardrop masked out. I think I've got it fairly symmetrical. Hopefully I do. I've got Les coming by to give me a quick impression, what he thinks. So it could be interesting. Anyway, we'll see how we do before we mask it up fully and break out the black. Okay guys, just coming up to 6:35, and we got 3 coats of base on it. Looks pretty good. So we're just waiting for that to dry a little bit more, and we'll unmask it and see how we did. But I'm happy with the paint so far. A little bit of dirt in it, but that's to be expected. Alright, we'll give it another 10 minutes and we'll unmask it, and we'll take another quick short video. Alright guys, there it is unmasked before the clear coat. A few little spots, but not too bad. So clear is next. Probably give it another 10 minutes or so, and then we'll hit it with the clear, and we'll call her done. That's it for now. Alright guys, end of night update. Everything is looking not too bad. The clear is dried nicely, so no more chance of getting any dirt or flies or moths or whatever stuck in it. Actually, it looks pretty good. Pretty shiny. I think I managed to get pretty good clear on this tank. And don't see any bad areas. I don't see any runs, which is good. So it should take a little bit of sanding, and that's pretty much about it. I could probably get away without buffing it at all, but we're going to do that anyway. So yeah, happy with that. These are looking good. So I guess we're back to the assembly phase. So we'll start doing that probably tomorrow. Got to wait to get our white walls back. We didn't get them back today, so probably have to do a quick run up there tomorrow and grab them. Hopefully they're done tomorrow. and we can start putting things back together. Like I said, it's going to have to wet sand and buff these. That's going to take a little bit of time. So not sure when we'll get to that, but anyway, that's it for now. We'll upload this, and we'll try to get back out here tomorrow. Have a good night, guys. Thanks for watching.